So here are the Maxtek Magnetic Dry Erase Markers. They come in all the colors of the rainbow, plus pink, a couple extra blues, a couple extra greens, brown, and black. And these are fine tip markers, approximately 1 millimeter. It says to keep them horizontal for a longer lifespan, and they come with a quality guarantee. So let's get them open and take a closer look. All the caps come with this magnetic back here, as well as an eraser on top. Easy to pop off, easy to replace. And you can see that the marker head itself does have a fine tip, but you could also maybe lay it sideways a little bit if you want a little bit of a thicker line for it. And these are non-toxic and low odor markers. It says that they're fast drying and easy to wipe. We'll test them out on a board here in a second. And these are good for kids because they're silene and toluene free, and they are washable. So if you get them on your clothes, they're gonna be just fine to just wash out. Let's start here by writing the month. It's currently the month of May. And this is the lime green marker here. You can see it shows up nice and brightly. I don't have any notes to make now, so let's just write notes. And this is the purple marker. Also shows up very clearly and brightly. And it's currently Sunday, the 21st. And this is the pink marker here. Also shows up very legibly. That means Monday's the 22nd. That's the brown marker, very clear. Tuesday will be the 23rd. That's the darker green marker, again very clear. Wednesday will be the 24th. This is kind of like a turquoise color, very clear again. Thursday will be the 25th. That's the royal blue marker, super clear. Friday will be the 26th. That's the yellow marker. A little bit harder to see against the white background, but still very bright. Saturday will be the 27th, and that's the orange marker, and it looks really good. The 28th will be next Sunday, and that's the red marker, looking really nice. The 29th will be on a Monday. That's the dark blue marker, very clear against the white background. And then we'll have the 30th on Tuesday and the 31st on Wednesday. And that's the black marker, looks fantastic. And you can see what I've done here to make sure they all stay horizontal. I placed the bottom one over top of the handle here to keep it upright, because if you try to just set them sideways on their own like this, they want to fall. So with the support of the handle on the bottom here, I'm then layering them back and forth, cap here and here, cap here and here, cap here and here, to keep them all nice and horizontal. Now I'm going to just do some random scribbling here and see if it wipes away easily with a simple paper towel. And it's totally gone. That worked really well. You can see how well that all worked. All the colors look really nice and show up brightly, and these markers go really well with this magnetic fridge. Really happy I got this, gonna help me keep things organized and help my family stay on the right schedule.